Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I went to Tuesday morning and I found some goodies that I thought I would share with you all because they are cute. So first thing is I got this twine. So it was $3.49 and I thought that it would be good for Christmas time to wrap presents with, and then also just to have. And it's 180 yards of twine, so it's a lot. And I just thought it was nice. They did have some red and white, which I was contemplating, but because I'm not sure what wrapping paper I'm going to have exactly yet, I thought that this would probably match better, so I went ahead and got that. So for $3.49, I thought this was good. And then this twine I could use for other things, other projects as well. And then I found this 6x6 pad. It's a double-sided paper, and it was $2.99. So this has 24 pages and they're double-sided. I think I already said that. Hold on, let's just go ahead and look at them. Aren't they cute? That one looks like you're looking down on umbrellas. I love the fish and the whales. So it looks like they give you 2 of each. So that's by Echo Park and it's called Splash by Bella Road. And there is another thing that matches, I think. And then this one was $2.99, and this one you get 36 papers, 24 designs. And it is also 6x6. And it's called Welcome Spring. So they're just single-sided. I love having this kind of a thing too. That's funny because you got 1 of this one, 2 of this one, 1 of this one, 2 of this one, 1 of this one, 2 of this one. So I guess that's the way they do it. But look how cute that paper is. So 1 and then 2, and these are little birds. Really cute. That one's cute too. But you know I love the critters. Oh, the stripes. Hello Spring. Oh, the little bunnies. Super cute. So those are adorable, and for $2.99, I don't know, I think that it's just a really good price. And then I found this sticker value pack. It's 2 sheets, so you get this one, which is kind of old-timey looking, which I think is really pretty, and I love the reindeer and the little bunny with the snowman and even the little boy helping his dad carry the Christmas tree. And then this side is cute with little, you know, bright colors and cute little animals, and this was $1.99 for this. So I thought it was neat because you got 2 separate styles. And then I found these paper packs, and these were $5.99 each, which is a really good deal. I know that when Hobby Lobby had theirs, you know, the 75% off or whatever they did with their going out of that brand, they were sometimes $2.50 each. That was the lowest I'd seen them. So for $6, I thought, well, that's not so bad. And I loved all of these bright colors, and I liked the roller coasters and the ice cream and the dots and the stripes and all of that. So I thought this was really cute, and it's called Summer Days, and it's also Bella Road. So here are the stickers with that. So with these you get a sticker pack, and then, or a sticker sheet, which is 12 by 12, and then you get 12 by 12 papers. You get 12 by 12 double-sided papers, including the cover, and then 12 by 12 element sticker. So that's pretty cool. And one of the pages looks like it has the little cards, which is fun when you're doing projects. So I like that a lot. And then same with this one. This one is called Sweet Day by Alicia Gordon. Again, $5.99 Echo Park. And it has the same things with the elements, or with the beautiful paper. These are pastels, and they're just gorgeous. And then the sticker set for this one is, I love the bike. It was really hard to pick the ones that I wanted because I could have gotten about 10 of them and been happy, but I know I didn't need that many, so I really tried to be good. And then this one matches that other set, which I thought was really cute. Those are from something else. So it has the fish and the whales and the umbrellas and then just all the pretty paper. And then it also has the little sheet. And this one is Echo Park Splash by Bella Road. And here is her stickers, which are just adorable. The tickets, Another Day in Paradise, Just Add Water. Super cute. So I'm going to try to see what I can do with this here pretty soon. So there we go. That is what I got from Tuesday morning. So thanks for watching. I hope that you all have a happy day. And I hope that you guys get to do some crafting if you so choose. Get to do something you want to do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.